So my mom's a shaman. She goes on journeys to heal her clients' problems, you know? And she had this client who was constipated for like days, and so she goes on a shamanic journey for her client and comes up with this recipe for yogurt coleslaw. 6 cloves of garlic in the food processor, hot pepper, a whole onion, blend in food processor, 1 heaping teaspoon of real salt, pour in a cup of casein A2 yogurt, lime, and that's my dad, and just pour it over sliced cabbage and stir. But there's more to this story, because she's laying on the floor journeying for her client, and she sees a doctor strapped with guns, and this doesn't make any sense, you know? And this doctor dude is where the casein A2 comes from. He wrote a book called The Plant Paradox, and the yogurt brand my mom uses is Alexander. That's right, Gundry. She saw a doctor strapped with guns in her vision, but they had nothing to do with real guns, you know? That was just in his name. I started eating this yogurt, and I'm getting way better at jiu-jitsu. But Dr. Gundry and the Alexander Company, they don't even know I exist. But I like sharing stuff that makes the world better, you know? Reach out to me if you know what a shamanic journey is. But my heart may belong to Shabnam. Maybe you think. This is Kayla signing off.